Greetings, welcome to Acro Electric. My name is Loki, and today this video will show you the correct installation wiring of two Acro products. So one is Acro ADW300, that's 4G-SW, three-phase LT wireless energymeter, and the other one is Aquil, AKH-0.66/K-5 current transformer. So this video will show the correct three-phase 4-wire and the three-phase 3-wire wiring between these two products. And I will also introduce you the basic system operation by using this ADW-4GSW engine meter to be paired with accurate engine monitoring system so that you can check all the data collected by this engine meter whether on your PC or mobile phone remotely and conveniently. This video is largely divided into two parts. The first part is hardware installation and wiring. The second part is software operation between Aquil ADW300 engine meter and Aquil engine monitoring system. You can check the timeline below and find and skip to the part you want. And before we formally start, we can check whether your package is complete. Normally, a set of devices consists of 4 packages, 3 small packages for 3 current transformer, and 1 huge paper carton for ADW300, that's for GHW. When you open the package of energy meter, there will be first one engine meter main body of ADW300. And there will be 2 extra terminal blocks. This will be installed on ADW300 for further wiring. Also, there is a 4G card needle. And now, of course, a 4G antenna. For the package of current transformer, there will be one single CT with paired wire on it for secondary current output. And besides of these things, you also need to purchase one 4G SIM card from your local store. Remember, this 4G SIM card wasn't provided by Acro. So, before site installation, we can do some pre-installation in advance for more convenience. First, we use this 4G SIM card needle to take off this 4G SIM card tray. And then we install the 4G SIM card on it. Insert the 4G SIM card tray back along with the 4G SIM card. The second step, we can install these 2 extra terminal blocks for wiring, one on the top and another one on the bottom. Notice that this terminal block on the bottom, there are two screws on the left and right. So we need to fix them. To ensure this bottom terminal block was attached to ADW300. Since ADW300 are using the classic DIN rail installation, as you can see there is a buckle behind it. It could be pushed back and pushed off. So first we push off the buckle. We install it on standard 35mm DIN rail, and we push back the buckle again to fix it on it. So as you can see now, these devices are fixed on the DIN rail. Also, don't forget we have another antenna. So don't forget to install this antenna on ADW300. And put the antenna better in an open area to receive a better 4G signal. In order to show you the actual wiring, we have built this demonstration shelf to simulate the actual site situation. As you can see, this one is a typical three-phase forward power system. The power, which means the current direction, will flow from the grid side to the load side, which means the forward current direction is from the top to the bottom, from left to the right. This is pretty important because we're gonna install current transformer later, and the installation of CT must be according to the actual forward current direction. And basically, for the wiring of this ADW300 energymeter, three parts of wiring will be really important. They are auxiliary power supply, voltage signal input, and current signal input via current transformer. So next, I'm gonna introduce to you all the steps of these three important wiring. So for now, I'm gonna introduce the formal wiring. First part, the auxiliary power supply. We will use this pin 1L and pin 2N for the auxiliary power supply wiring. Remember, for the auxiliary power supply, we need to use a power source with the voltage of 85 to 265 voltage AC or voltage BC. Once we have a voltage power supply like this, this is live line, we connect live line to pin 1L. Screw it off and screw it on. We connect neutral line or power source to pin 2. Okay, then we finished the first step, auxiliary power supply wiring. And the second one was for voltage input, voltage signal input for ADW300 to measure the voltage. First, for phase A power voltage input, we're gonna use pin 11. Connect it to the upper side of CB. And we use pin 12 for voltage phase B input. and use pin 13
洋洋，你对什么产品比较
for
熟悉
phase
啊？
3 voltage input.
来帮我写两个文稿。
And use pin 14 for neutral line voltage input. So for now, we finished the second step for voltage input wiring. And to the third step, we need to move for the current input wiring. For current input, we're gonna use current transformer like this. And remember, we need to connect the second output line of CT first to the energymeter, and then we install the CT on cable. This can be reversed. So for current input, we found pin 4 and pin 5. This red output line connect to pin 4 for phase A current input, and this black output cable connect to pin 5 for phase A current output. And we can hold the CT here. We can install it later. And take out the second set of CT. We also use pin 6 connect to red wire for phase B current input. And we use pin 7 connect to the black wire of second CT for phase B current input. For the third CT is pretty much the same. Use pin 8 connect to red wire of the CT for phase C current input. Connect the black wire of CT to pin 9 for phase C current output. So as you can see for now, basically all the wiring was done, but we still remain one installation, that is to install the CT on the three-phase all these three-phase current cable respectively. So for now, I'm gonna introduce the last installation step to install this CT on the actual measuring cable. So first, since this is a split core CT, we need to clamp off it. And as you can see, there is an arrow indicate the forward current direction. Remember what I said on the first. This installation must be according to the actual current, the actual forward current direction. As I said before, the actual current forward direction was from top to the bottom, from left to the right. So this arrow indication should be from left to the right. And we follow this indication, clamp this CT on the measuring cable of phase A. And like I said before, must remember, you need to connect the signal output cable to the energymeter first before you install the CT on the measuring cable. So now we first we finished the installation of phase 1 current input, and it's pretty much same for the phase B current input. Clap off, see the current arrow direction, and clamp on. Ah, wait a second. Yes, so the CT can be installed on the phase B, and it pretty much same for the phase C, the third CT. See the current direction, clamp the CT on the phase C measuring cable. For now, we have finished all the wiring, all the installation of this ADW300. We just need to power up the energymeter. And there is one note you need to know. Before you power up the energymeter for the first time, you need to make sure the 4G SIM card are already inserted in these devices. This was for some time zone calibration for at least the first time installation. In order to download Acquil IoT application, you can search IoT EMS in Google Play or App Store for Android or iOS. You can also access the links below iot.acquil-em.com and check the QR code on the left top. Scan it for download and installation. After successfully downloading your application, next step is registration. First, input an account. This will be later used for login. Second, input username. Third, input email. Mine will be loki@acquil.cn. Fourth, input a telephone if you have for contact. Fifth, input password. They will be also later used for logging your application. So for now, we have successfully registered an account. Let's use the account test sh loki and password I set 123456. Now we have successfully logged in our IoT application. Now we need to create a new project. Enter My Interface, click Project Management, plus button, and input the project name. I preset it as Loki Assets Test. Choose Building Mode Platform Prepaid. Enter customer name. Enter address. It could be either real address or a random address just for testing. And click Confirm button. Now you successfully create a new project. For adding new devices, first enter Add interface, click QR code scanning button, scan QR code, click Search button, and choose the project you just create. Click Ban button, confirm. Now enter real-time monitoring. Check whether the devices was online. Now this device has been successfully added to your new project and account. Thanks for watching this video. For sales inquiry, you can contact Shelly, Aaron, or Loki through their email or WhatsApp information on the left. For technical support, you can contact Loki about the inquiry of IOT engine monitoring solution project or electricity prepaid solution project. For more introduction of the products, you can access our website links on the right. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more video.